Welcome to 33 Knox Point Circle. This luxury estate-type home is situated on 300 feet of seawalled waterfront at the 2-mile marker. The home features many upgrades, including huge skylights adding tons of natural light, a wall of eastern exposure windows giving you spectacular views of the morning sunrises, a gourmet kitchen, vaulted ceiling, fireplace, hardwood floors, and a beach-type vibe make this home a great entertaining home. The home features a large master suite surrounded with windows, spa-like bathroom including jacuzzi tub, body spray shower, custom vanity, and walk-in closet. Additional bedrooms are great for your guest. They are tastefully decorated and share a Jack and Jill bath. As you head to the lower level, you are greeted by any type of entertainment you might want. Whether you like pool, games, hockey, or you just want to sit at the wet bar and have a casual drink, the lower level is made for you. You can also enjoy your screened-in porch overlooking the beautiful views. When you're tired of the indoors, you can head outdoors to your custom concrete dock with plenty of room for your toys and a large swim platform just tucked around the corner, enough to give you some protection. A large circle driveway and a detached 2-car garage complete this beautiful estate. Schedule your showing today. This is a one-of-a-kind property.